Hello guys, it's Dale here, and in today's video I would like to talk about a New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and about long-term analysis. There is a resistance. It is a long-term resistance and it is visible if you look at daily chart. So what you see before you is daily chart of the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and this is the resistance 85.49. Let me zoom the chart a bit and let me talk about it. So that resistance is based on this strong downtrend that has been going on over more than a month. Now, when there is a trend like this, I use my flexible volume profile indicator to look into that trend and into volumes within that trend. Now, what I look for are significant volume clusters, like this one. There's also another one, this one, and those volume clusters represent places where the sellers who are pushing the price downwards were adding to their shorts. As you can see, those volume clusters are quite often in places where the price stopped for a while, at places where there was a little rotation, like in here or in here, and this is where the volumes got accumulated. This is where they were adding to their shorts. So if we talk about this heavy volume area, then it is beginning at 85.49, and the sellers from this place are likely to defend this area because it's clearly important for them, because they placed all of their shorts there, right? So when there's a pullback at some point in the future, and it doesn't really need to be soon, we can wait for the pullback for a month or 2 or 3, it doesn't really matter. But when there's a pullback, then those sellers will most likely want to defend this zone, to add some more to their shorts in this liquidity zone and to push and manipulate the price to go downwards again. This is a trend setup. It is a volume-based setup. One of my favorite trading setups to trade with a volume profile. And apart from that volume profile setup, there's also another setup, and that another setup shows that this level has already worked as a support in the past, right? Because there was a very strong and sharp reaction to it. The price bounced off that level strongly in the past. But then, when the price blew past that level in here, the support got breached and it became a resistance. Alright? This is a price action setup that I like to use, and I like to use that setup as a combo with that volume profile setup right there, with this volume cluster. So it's a combo of two trading setups that I like to look for: the trend setup with a significant volume cluster, and setup which says that support became a resistance. If those two setups point to the same trading level or to the same general area, then it's usually a very strong level to trade from, like in this case. Alright? So this is my take on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Today there is very strong macro news coming out concerning the Canadian dollar. It is the Bank of Canada monetary policy report and the rate statement and the overnight rate. So if the price hits that resistance that I showed you during the release of this news later today, then I don't recommend jumping in a trade. It would be pretty risky, because those news are the strongest ones concerning the Canadian dollar. Those are the strongest news on the Canadian dollar. Alright, so be careful around the news, but apart from that, this level is very strong to trade from. Alright, so that's about it. That's about the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me each day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and the next best step is go to trading course and tools. So you click that, you scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is an educational pack that will teach you everything there is about trading with volume profile. And there is a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes a video course. It includes my day trading and swing trading levels that you'll be getting each day. It also includes volume profile indicators that I developed, and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, it also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support team will set up NinjaTrader, a platform for you with all my indicators. They'll load up my trading workspaces, they'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, as that's the part of the service that we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's about it. That's about the Elite Pack, and that's also about this video. I hope you guys liked it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!